So there's a few reasons why the RoboTrex was a good fit for us. We had a steel product. We were using another type of clamping system for it, and we were afraid that we were going to pull parts off the machine. We needed to run this 24 hours a day, and we needed it to be reliable. So the stamping system was a huge reason why the Lang system worked for us. You can grip the parts, ultra secure, and there's no chance of them pulling out. And then just the flexibility that we have with the system. We're a low volume, high mix type shop, so the ability to make different parts in the same night and easily have operators change between parts without having to adjust gripper sizes for different types of material. If it goes in the vise, it goes in the machine. And on top of that, we have 120 vices. We have a 4-cart 120 system. You can do mix and match. You can just load it up with 120 of the same part, but it's really up to you how you want to use it, and this system gives us the flexibility that we need.